So if you've seen our channel, you know what we're going to talk about. However, if you haven't, we're going to go over one of the easiest ways to make money in 2024. So firstly, this is going to be based on the online world, because obviously we can do some easy jobs in the real life world, like, I know, getting a job with a billionaire and picking up his dog's shit. I'm sure he's going to fucking pay you loads of money for that, and that is a pretty easy job. However, we're actually going to go into business models online that will make you money pretty easily. So what is it?
So what is the most popular and most trending topic online within the last year? AI. Now, when you think of AI, you don't really think of money-making methods. You might think of easier ways to do your fucking homework using ChatGPT or some gay shit like that. But how do you actually make money with AI? The answer is through image generation.
But that is the magic key to making money online. People are looking for answers on how you're going to monetize or get money from image generation, and we have the answers. So obviously we have this across our whole page, but we're going to tell you in this video just so you don't have to go do your research. If you've ever heard of something called OFM, this is going to be very similar. It's going to be AI OFM. What you're going to be doing is creating a model out of AI, so out of texts, out of prompts, on a software, making a model, and then using that via OFM.
So OFM is OnlyFans management. Now, OnlyFans management in the real world is when you are managing OnlyFans models. You're marketing their content, you are bringing customers towards their pages and selling the customers money by chatting on their accounts. Now, with AI OFM, of course, you do not need the real human involved. So not only does that mean that you are taking a higher commission, normal OFM, 50%, AI OFM, 100%. You're taking 100% of the commission. You don't need another human there. You don't need to wait on models to make content, or you don't have to wait on models to do Instagram lives or anything like this. You can generate content at your will and market your model as is.
And this is why it's expanding rapidly. Because you get that 100% profit margin, which Carl just mentioned, people are getting a lot of money from doing this. Therefore, they can grow a lot quicker. Because normally what you would do, you'll get 50%, obviously that's gross, and you'd lose a bit of that percentage via staff that you've got. And then you've got to manage the model, and you've got to grow, get the model to do work. Whereas now, you do the work, get 100%, and then you can put 100% back in, or you can take some money out for yourself. So much easier, faster growth, and a lot easier to get money. So you're probably wondering, can I do this at home by myself in my room? Yes, you can. However, we advise you get a team of people that are very similar to you, that want to work online and make money, because you're always going to be growing a lot quicker within a team rather than an individual.
There's also quite a heavy workload when it comes to AI image generation and then also marketing and dealing with all the OnlyFans pages, etc. So splitting that workload between 1, 2, 3, a whole team of you is going to make your life so much easier and make the AI model progress so much faster.
So obviously, if you're a loner and you're at home with no mates, or you're in your mum's basement, one of the two, and you want to look at start making money online, there is also communities where you can find like-minded men to be able to help you out. If you're a G and you've got lots of mates, then don't worry about that. Just get some of your mates that are well trusted and also want to work online and fucking crack on. It's not too hard to learn with the correct teachers and the correct resources. So make sure before you start anything, get educated on what you're about to do, because it's pointless throwing money at things when you're not sure you're going to get a result back.
So where can you find these resources that will allow you to learn how to generate AI images and how to sell it to fucking weirdos who want to buy AI nude content? Well, for one, our whole channel is packed full of exactly teaching you how to do that. And two, if you're looking for something more in-depth, we do sell a course. So if you're looking for more in-depth shit that's on our channel, the course will give you a more organized structure to your business model.
So obviously, if you're coming into this as a team, 2 or 3 of you that want to learn this and crack on, the course is cheap as fuck. It's only 100 quid. And obviously if there's 3 of you, that can be split between 3 people, and you can crack on and start your agency straight away. And as you've seen on our social medias, people make their money back within 2 weeks if you do the process correctly. So definitely good to invest in. And this is the easiest way to make money in 2024. So check out the rest of our YouTube if you want a bit more free value on how to make money in 2024 and how to expand your AI capabilities to be able to perform at your best.